Tangkhul's apex body, Tangkhul Naga Long TNL, yesterday strongly condemned and reiterated its warning against unwarranted and unprecedented acts of armed Kuki militants threatening and stopping of innocent commuters and passengers and also intimidating workers engaged in restoration repairing work along the Imphal-Ukhrul road. A release issued by TNL stated that it is giving last and final warning to the armed Kuki militants to immediately stop their irresponsible acts in the interest of maintaining peace and harmony and continue that the Tangkhul community have been tolerating the irresponsible and unwarranted acts of the Kuki militants on numerous occasions. However, TNL yesterday called for immediate end to such public notions in its jurisdictions and strictly warned that the Kuki militants shall be surely responsible for any untoward happenings that will follow due to their provocations, it added. TNL further cautions that Kuki villagers who are residing along the stretch of Imphal-Ukhrul highway to take serious notes of such incident. Armed National Revolutionary Front Manipur NRFM has appealed to people to join the Black Day observance today, the day the then King Buddhachandra signed Manipur merger agreement in Shillong to be part of the Indian Union in 1949. While appealing to the people to cease all economic activities and close shops on September 21st to make the Black Day observance complete and meaningful, an NRFM statement said the restrictions will be relaxed for movement of frontline warriors. According to NRFM statement, Manipur existed as an independent nation in Southeast Asia but came under British colonial power and after the Anglo-Manipuri War in 1891. Though Manipur regained sovereign status after the British left on August 14, 1947, India annexed Manipur after King Buddhachandra was forced to sign on the premeditated merger agreement on September 21, 1949 in Shillong, it added.